A local political advisor and expert on population says the local government should do more to control Shanghai's surging migrant population, as the local population is approaching its 30 million maximum limit. Our reporter Zhang Jun has the story.
Even though it's the lunch hour of a cold, drizzling Tuesday noon, you can still find plenty of people walking along the Nanjing pedestrian mall. Of course, it is just a small section of the over 24 million people, which grew by more than 5 million over the past 5 years, mostly from outlying provinces. That is causing worry to Wu Ruijing, a delegate of the Chinese People's Political Consultative Conference.
Of
course, the New Year's stampede has a connection to population. Cities with high population are more likely to cause a crowded gathering once there is an event. In fact, the city's actual population is 10 to 15% more than its official statistics.
She said as much as 15% of the underground population are migrants, which in total accounts for nearly half of the city's entire population. Some of them have been found working legally as taxi drivers or living in group-rented apartments. More generally, they are causing a burden to the public space. When city officials say the government is taking measures for the Spring Festival activities.
All of the city's scenic spots and major public venues are calculating their maximal handling capacity, as well as the emergency measures if that is exceeded. Currently, each of the local temples is setting its own safety measures according to their size.
Besides preventing accidents in public places, the government is also expected to keep the migrant population in better check so that they won't draw too heavily on social resources, such as education and public health.
Shanghai has been at the forefront of implementing the country's opening up policy. For decades, it has been actively attracting talent from all over the country. Just as experts have warned, though, if Shanghai fails to control its population and lets it exceed its maximum limits, every person living in the city would be adversely affected. Zhang Jun, Shanghai Live.